We are all chasing the grand gesture, the moment the world finally notices. But what if the greatest deception of modern ambition is the belief that success is ever loud? We have forgotten the true source of power. It is not the sudden leap. It is the quiet accumulation.
This is the story of Emma, a modern artist in a city that only rewarded noise. Her work was good, but the relentless pace of notifications, networking, and social anxiety was a daily thief. She was talented, but invisible.
Every rejection letter, every unanswered email, they were not critiques of her art. They were attacks on her focus. She was losing the battle not because of skill, but because of a fragmented mind.
Emma realized her crisis wasn't about motivation. It was a crisis of attention. Here, she accidentally stumbled upon the wisdom of the Stoics. Marcus Aurelius taught, "You have power over your mind, not outside events."
Emma's problem wasn't the noise of the city. It was her willingness to react to it. She learned that her time was not a bucket to be filled, but a canvas to be deliberately painted. So, Emma instituted a rule of 75 minutes.
Inspired by the concept of deep work, she defined her single daily act of courage: 75 minutes of uninterrupted drawing, starting at 6 a.m. No phone, no coffee, just the work. She treated this time not as a luxury, but as a sacred, non-negotiable meeting. The key wasn't to eliminate distraction, it was to schedule her focus. Day 1 was difficult. Day 30 was a ritual. Day 100 was power.
And that is the paradox. Emma's ultimate success wasn't from a sudden viral moment. It was from the 75 hours of invisible courage built into her routine. That concentrated focus gave her work the depth, the soul that separates the lasting few from the chasing many.
Real success is the compounding interest of focused effort. Don't wait for the grand stage. Build the habit. The habit is the stage. What 75 minutes of deep work will you schedule today?